From typewriters to AI, content creation has come a long way. The future? It's here. At Crafted Genius, we use advanced AI algorithms to help you create content faster and more effectively than ever. While others are stuck in the past, our clients are leading the way with intelligent, creative content that ranks higher and converts better. Ready for the future? Start crafting your genius today. Picture yourself in Las Vegas or relaxing on a Bahamas cruise. You could win this amazing prize. Contact us today for your chance to be a winner.